Experience speed and precision like never before when creating leather straps. Welcome back to Sailrite Workbench. Today, we'd like to show you how to use a Sailrite Leather Strap Cutter and how to change its blade. The Strap Cutter is a professional grade tool designed to cut leather straps for bags or belts. The Strap Cutter will cut any weight of leather into straps up to 4 inches wide. It can also cut a stray edge on leather. To use, first adjust this knob on the crossbar depending on the thickness of your leather. For thin leather, bring the crossbar pieces closer together, and for thicker leather, spread the crossbar pieces further apart. It can be helpful to use a scrap piece of leather that is the same thickness as your project leather to get it right. You want to make sure the leather can slide through the crossbar, but you'll want there to be slight friction. Now adjust the opening on the crossbar to your desired strap width using this knob on the handle. Next, using a ruler and a cutting tool, create a flat edge on your leather. Then simply insert the leather into the crossbar, line it up flush on the flat edge, and begin cutting. You can start your cut with scissors or a knife to make it easier. Then, pull the cutter through the leather, hold the leather with one hand and pull the handle with the other. Changing the blade on the strap cutter requires just a few quick steps. First, loosen the knob on the top of the handle and remove the crossbar. Next, loosen the 2 screws above the blade. These screws hold the blade and safety guards in place. With the screws loosened, you can rotate one of the guards away from the crossbar. You should see a small slit on the side of the wood. This is where the blade is housed. You can carefully remove the blade from there. Now insert your replacement blade, making sure that the sharp edge is facing the measurement markings on the wood. Then, rotate the guard back and tighten the screws into place. You can now insert the crossbar back into the handle. Make sure the measurement markings are facing the bottom of the handle and that the blade is on the side with the flat edge. Replacing your blade will make your cutting tool like new again. We've linked both the leather strap cutter and the replacement blades in the description below to make it easy to get yours. And if you want to see more Sailrite exclusive products or see them in action in a DIY project video, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.